Hello boys and girls, today I'm going to make a pizza. First, wash your hands. Second, mix the ingredients in a bowl. Salt, flour, olive oil and beer and wait for 30 minutes. And roll out the pizza. And spread out the tomato sauce. You put a lot of toppings, for example, ham. Anna, what would you like to put in the pizza?
I like tuna.
Finally, to put some cheese in the pizza. And bake the pizza in the oven. And wait for 30 minutes. Bye bye, boys and girls.
Hey guys, my name is Alice. In this video I'm going to show you how to put toppings for your pizza. Here I have all the toppings and I'm going to start putting tomato sauce. I'm going to put a lot of tomato sauce. Then I'm going to put ham. I'm going to put a lot of ham. Then I'm going to put cheese. I'm going to put a lot of cheese. Then I'm going to put peppers. I'm going to put lots of peppers. Then I'm going to put lots of olives. Last. And I'm going to put a little bit of oregano. Thanks for watching. Give it a like and subscribe. Bye guys.
Hi everybody! Today we are at Pepe's house. We are going to cook my favorite pizza, a delicious pizza. We can use different ingredients. We have tuna, sweet corn, cheese, red peppers, ham yolk, mushroom. I don't like mushroom. Olive is my favorite ingredient. And tomato sauce. Okay, let's go. I would like a pizza with this ingredient: cheese, ham yolk, olives, and tomato sauce. Let's go. First, the mass. Second, with the tomato sauce with this spoon. Third, we add cheese. Fourth, I cut ham yolk very well. And finally, we add the olives. And now bake the pizza 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, this is my pizza. Remember, some tomato sauce, lot of cheese, some ham yolk, a lot of olive, and never mushroom. Give me a like. Bye bye. See you in the next video.
Hello Sandra, hello boys and girls. Tonight I'm going to have pizza for dinner. This is the pizza base. On my pizza I would like tomato sauce. A lot of cheese. Some ham. And a lot of mozzarella. Finally, some oregano. Then I'll put my pizza in the oven for 20 minutes. I hope you like it. I love it. Hello Sandra, boys and girls, how are you? Today I'm some tomato sauce. Some oregano. Some cheese. A lot of your ham. Some bacon. Some olives. A lot of cheese. Now I put my pizza on the oven for 20 minutes. And the pizza is ready to eat. Delicious!